Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another courtesy car. The Lexus SC's in for water pipe and fan belt. So I've got this late 2019, early 2020 Lexus NX300h. As far as I'm aware, it's just the standard spec, and I think the premium pack on it once again. We do have keyless entry. Wing mirrors pop out. Finished in this metallic white, you can see that, nice pearlescent colour, cool wing mirrors, the kind of chrome strip. Inside we've bleated with nice cabin, again this leatherette material up here. I think this is artificial leather because it doesn't feel as good as the real leather. Can't remember the Lexus name for it. It's just a wee vehicle sanitising thing to say it's been done. Lexus NX floor mats, that's a Lexus feature. Get a cool little vanity mirror, obviously being so new. Still got all the covers and stuff. Wireless charging, around with the fuzzy stuff again. Charging port, auxiliary cable port, and USB ports. CVT transmission, we can go jump around into the driver and I'll get it started up for you guys. But first, just a quick look in the back. Some white stitching across there. These little levers at the side are quite handy. You fold the seats back, and you've got a bit of adjustment, so you can pull that lever and have it back a bit more. You can have it forward like so. Let me try again with one hand. There we go, so you can recline that a little bit more. And this is all padded with that nice leatherette kind of material, so you're not going to hit this crunchy plastic. So it's quite nice. Electric boot, what you'd expect in a luxury car. This one's just got the standard floor mat, as you can see. No spare wheel or anything under there, just loads of goodies tied down hooks. It's got a parcel shelf in this one. That split folds and you can, not too much there. It's also got a big speaker in the back. Jump round to the front. So I put the foot in the brake, push the power button, everything comes to life. You'll see the Lexus animation come up here. Notice you put the blue button because we've got a hybrid. Again, this is all touch through this little touch pad here. It's not the most intuitive when you're on the road. No touch screen or anything, sadly, on this model. Again, nice clear gauges. My favourite party trick Lexus does, you turn this to sports mode and you get a tachometer. Obviously you've got a non-hybrid one, you're always going to have the tachometer there. And you get a little display here to see power pack, battery. You can cycle through the MPG 34.5. Always expect that in this kind of class of SUV. Surprisingly, when I've driven the RX 450h, I end up getting about 35, 36 to a gallon as well. I had this about 37 on a 300h NX before, so it's very similar, even though they're different engines, and this is a lot smaller. Heated steering wheel, which is a nice feature, part of the premium pack. Your radar cruise control, and your lane departure warning, your lane keeping assist kind of button that beeps at you when you're in the motorway. And the dad's CT has that. Electric wing mirrors, electric door, everything you expect, child lock, door lock. Getting all nice padded materials down here, big decent size door bins. Not much to show you. My favourite part again, one of these Lexus screw bolt with a Lexus on it. You don't see that with like a BMW or a Mercedes saying that. And I think that's there on purpose to give it a bit of like utilitarian vibe. Nice cup holder, I don't think ergonomically designed even. Wouldn't be one of my videos without a glove box, large and lined with fuzzy stuff. And you can see you've got kind of rectangular air vents at the sides and then these little slat ones in the middle. Do like an analog clock. This particular one, I don't know, it's just something with the white hand makes it look a little bit cheaper than I would like in comparison to the other Lexus models for the analog clock. But everything's easy to do, a typical Lexus feature. It does the rear window and the side view mirrors at once. Heated seats, and that wee shelf in there, which I don't really know what can fit in there if I get my wallet out. Maybe that will fit in, just a wee card holder. Yeah, just about fits in. CD player, and overall pretty decent. Auto hold mode. I've got full videos on this, I can leave the link below, but I wanted to show you guys this one while I have it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video on the Lexus NX, just a quick walk around really. Forgot to show you that little touch LEDs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below if you're a Lexus enthusiast, owner, or just want to be part of the club. Welcome every one of you. And check out my other videos. So I've got loads of NX videos, loads of RX videos, SE videos, LC videos, you name the Lexus, I've pretty much got it. Still trying to get my hands on a Lexus GS, but we'll get there. And if anybody's got a Lexus that would like me to film and you live in the Glasgow area, hit me up. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!